Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present you our newest innovation for the HVAC industry, the TPC 628 compact cell. With this work cell you can automatically cut copper tube from coil or straight tube, load it into the system, end form one side, bend it, and then also end form the other side. So it's a fully compact cell to produce your copper tubes in the very most efficient and small footprint. And now I will show you the individual processes of the machine and how each part in the machine works. Follow me. And here we have the beginning of the system, the transfluid step feeder, where the cut to length tube gets fed up into the system and picked up by the handling. So after the tube is fed up to the step feeder, this handling will feed the tube into the end forming machine. In the end forming machine we have a stop which recognizes that the tube is in place. Following that, the tube will be end formed. This end forming machine can do up to 6 end forming steps and 1 rolling step. So with this you can form every form you need. After that process, the handling will pick the tube up and feed it into the tube bending machine. Now we are coming to the CNC tube bending machine. This machine can bend tubes up to 28 millimeters in outside diameter. In addition, not only it can bend it in the right configuration but also in the left configuration. So this is a right and left tube bending machine with which we finish up the process, and when the process is done we're going to drop the tube onto the conveyor and feed it out of the system. To summarize the whole process again, with this system you can create a finished part for all your HVAC applications and other applications up to 28 millimeters. We're coming from the raw tube, feed it into the system, we're going to form the ends, then we're going to put it on the CNC bender, we bend the part and we move it out of the system. So this system, the TPC 628, can form and bend tubes up to 28 millimeters, fully automatic, without any kind of operator intervention. Thank you everyone for watching this video today about the TPC 628, and I'm looking forward for more videos with you together.